pass the test.
Thank you.
So tell me, can you take me through the process?
Yes, so I signed up with Richard and his team to do lessons. I realized that the preparation happens before the test. So I did my lessons after work. I felt very supported through the lessons. They gave me lots of points and tips to remember on the day, because it's a lot to take in when you come here. I got a few last minute pointers and some confidence boosters. And then I felt confident, ready to go on the test. And I did it.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
So tell us overall, what is your rating with your experience?
Oh,
with
I don't think I would have been able to do this without Richard and his team, because I had no idea what to expect. It's very different to my home license that I know that I can get from my home country. So this was definitely a must to feel confident, to be able to navigate the language, and to feel like I knew what was going on.
Amazing. Well, congratulations again.
Thank you so much.